Hello everyone. So in this video we will solve JEE Mains 2026 क्वेश्चन on मैट्रिक्स. अब ये क्वेश्चंस को देखने से ना आपको बड़ा मतलब ये लगेगा कि अभी तक हमने जो पी वाई क्यूज़ किया है जिसमें मैट्रिक्स के हमने क्वेश्चंस किए थे उसमें डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ सब मैट्रिक्स उस प्रकार का क्वेश्चन ज़्यादातर आप लोगों ने देखा है. लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है कि ये ए एक 3x3 मैट्रिक्स है, ये एंट्रीज है. देन सम ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स एडजॉइंट ऑफ 2 इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए का इनवर्स. तो देखो ये एडजॉइंट वगैरह का जो प्रॉब्लम आप लोग पी वाई क्यूज में अक्सर देखते थे वो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट सम मैट्रिक्स. जितनी बार एडजॉइंट होता है डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी आपने देखी थी. देखो क्या है एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए का डिटर्मिनेंट ये होता है डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए की पावर n-1 वेयर n इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. अगर मैंने दो बार एडजॉइंट लेना है एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए का डिटर्मिनेंट करना है तो ये डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए ये n-1 का स्क्वायर हो जाता है. अगर तीसरी बार यहाँ एडजॉइंट आ जाएगा तो यहाँ पे n-1 की पावर 3 हो जाएगा. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू हैव गॉन थ्रू दी पी वाई क्यूज लाइक दैट are depending upon this concept, correct? But in this year they have asked the question on finding the sum of all the elements of adjoint of 2 into adjoint of a ka inverse. Now the question is how to do that. This is not like the determinant of adjoint of a matrix, correct? This is simply a matrix, correct? Now one more important property, you know that. What is that? See here adjoint of a inverse is there, so we know that adjoint of a is given by or a का determinant into a inverse, or simply you can say that a inverse is adjoint of divided by a. This is the property, a inverse equal to adjoint of a divided by a, correct? Okay. Now determinant of a is there, then let us find out the determinant of a. So determinant of a is 1 into -3 minus 1 into -10 minus 1 plus 2 into -6. So this is -3 minus plus 11 minus 12. So -3 minus 1 that is equal to -4. So determinant of a is -4, correct? So this is -4. Okay, up to this we have find out. Now look at here, this is the matrix, this is also matrix. Okay, this adjoint of a is a matrix which is multiplied by a scalar number which is -1/4, correct? But here you need the adjoint of a ka inverse. So both the matrices are same, so therefore their inverse are also same. So let us perform the inverse operation in both sides. So taking inverse, so this becomes a inverse ka inverse, and this is you can say that -4 into adjoint of a का इनवर्स, करेक्ट? वाई? बिकॉज ये प्रॉपर्टी तो है के ए का इनवर्स वेयर के इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी, इस के का इनवर्स इनटू ए का इनवर्स. इस प्रॉपर्टी को भी तो हम यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज दिस प्रॉपर्टी ओवर हियर, करेक्ट? सो माइनस इज देयर, ओके, दिस इज 4, करेक्ट? -1/4 का इनवर्स -4, करेक्ट? Now a inverse का inverse is a is equal to -4, adjoint of a inverse. Automatically you can say that adjoint of a inverse is a by -4, adjoint of a inverse. So we have find out adjoint of a inverse, so therefore 2 times adjoint of a inverse is 2 times this one, and this is minus a by -2. So this we have find out. Now we know that if suppose that we want to find out adjoint of B matrix, then this is equal to determinant of B into n minus 2 into B, this property also. So almost all the properties of the matrix they have asked over here. If you know all the properties, then you can solve, and definitely it's a time taking problem. In the examination it is very difficult to solve the lengthy problem. If each problems are lengthy, then very difficult. So this property we can use. So here we can think that this is a matrix B, that is equal to matrix B, correct? So adjoint of B, adjoint of B is determinant of B n minus 2. N is 3 here, so therefore this is determinant of B into B. Now determinant of B is what? B is simply A by minus 2. Now determinant of B is determinant of A by minus 2. See here? So minus 1 by 2 we can take from each row, that is become minus 1 by 8. And then determinant of A is what? Minus 4. So minus 4 by minus 8, that is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. Correct? Finally, determinant of B is 1 by 2. So this is A by minus 4. So adjoint of 2 into adjoint of A ka inverse is nothing but A by minus 4. So when we multiply by this when we divide by minus 4, so this become minus 4, minus 4, this is 1 by minus 2, this is 1 by 2 only, this is 0, this is minus 1 by 4, okay, like that, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. This is your this matrix, adjoint of 2 into adjoint of A ka inverse. Correct? Now you can find out the sum. Sum we can find out. See, 1 minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, and minus 1 by 4. This, 4 times. So this answer is minus 1. So this is, sum is minus 1. Here I am writing minus 1. Correct? It's very easy now. Now 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 get cancelled. Then 0 is no problem. Then here minus 5 by minus 4. Okay. Okay, 5 by minus 4. Now it is 3 by minus 4. This is 5 by minus 4. This is 8 by minus 4. 8 by minus 4 means minus 2. So finally your answer is minus 3. So calculation they are also asking. So it's a very nice question. It's a different variety of question on matrix. Means why different? Because in the previous year they used to ask the questions on the property that determinant of adjoint of A, that is equal to determinant of A ki power n minus 1, or adjoint of adjoint A ka determinant, that is equal to determinant of A ki power n minus 1 ka square. On that property they used to ask. But this time in 2026 they have asked adjoint of 2, adjoint of A ka inverse. Okay, and this problem requires all the properties of the matrix.